Hi everybody, this time I will make a plastic bottle and some details into the side. So using Revo and project commands at least. So let's start. Let's go into the front view and let's make reference lines. The bottle will be 200 millimeters. The height of the bottle will be 200 millimeters, and then we need the cap for the end of the bottle. I think 25 millimeters is fine, so let's put 12.5 here. Okay, then we need a reference line of the how wide the bottle will be, so I think it will be 10 centimeters, so let's put 50 here, like that, and press enter, and now you can lock these lines, and we can start making the lines. So let's start from here. Yeah. So the neck where the bottle cap will be, I think 200 millimeters. Sorry, 20 millimeters will be good. So press 20, and then the shoulder or the end of the where the cap will be screwed, I think it could be something like 5 millimeters. You can of course you can use your own measures and make bottle as wide as you like. And this part could be something like 1.5, like that. Press enter, select the, what is it called, control point curve, and from the end disable the snaps, and press shift for the first point. I think I'm going to make a very hard shoulder to the bottle, so maybe something like that. If you have some bottle pictures you want to make, just use them. It will be much easier to make the shape. So I want nice curve into the bottom, into the corners, so maybe something like this bottle will be ugly, but it's not the point of this tutorial, so I don't mind. Then you can make this detail which is related to the processing of the bottles. So there is this shape at the bottom of the bottle. So I press shift all the time now, like that, and let's make maybe something like that. Then let's use trim. And again, like that. Oh yeah, we have to split. We have to trim this one also. Okay. Let's split this end off here and join these all together like that. Then select curve and offset curve, and if you want to make really stiff bottle, use more distance, but I think nowadays plastic bottles are very blind what comes to the material stiffness, so maybe 0.2 is enough. So you can make more stiff bottle if you want. And then we are going to explode this one and delete these because this piece is solid all the way. It doesn't, the shape, it doesn't follow from the inside into this part. So let's see if there is. We could also rebuild this, because like you see there is too many points in here. So maybe 50. And delete these ones before first. Okay. Drag this last control point and split it like that. So now we use the rebuild command, and okay, let's try this. Maybe this 50 is okay. Then we can adjust this control point here. So we have some problems here. Maybe it wasn't so good idea to maybe I'm just, let's not rebuild it. It makes so many, it doesn't follow the outer line so well if we rebuild the line, so let's leave it alone. So because of the detailing of the bottle, I think it's wise to make the outer surface and inner surface at different time. So let's select this inner curve and put it on a different layer and hide it, and put this here, and maybe we name this. This is not necessary, but so let's select this curve and use the revolve command and select the end of the line and shift and go up and full circle. There we have it. Not very beautiful puzzle, but it's not the point in this tutorial. So now we have this nice detail here. It comes when the bottle is extruded at the factory from a plastic piece. It leaves that little knot into the bottom. So now we have the outer side and we want to make those swirls. So let's go into this. Let's go into different layer and again into the front view, and let's make some nice swirls. If you want to make a label into the bottle, you might want to leave some space here. So let's make nice curved line here. Like this. Maybe get that last point a little bit higher, like that, and then select the curve and okay, let's make two of these. So I don't know the name at English, but swirl or swoosh or something like that. It's the maybe we could rotate this lower curve a little bit like this, so we get more like this wave look here. Like that. Then select the curve and select the project to the surface and select the bottle and press enter. Now you can do the same to the lower curve. Select the curve, select the project to surface, select the bottle, and you have to be in the view where you are projecting. If you go into perspective or top view, it doesn't work. You have to be in the right view. So now you can select these outer lines and hide them, or make a garage layer and move them there. So now we have these curves following the bottle side. If you want to make it more beautiful or something, you can move those curve points and then make the project command again. But now we are going to go forward and select these two curves and use solid and pipe. Oh, sorry, you can only select one, and it's your choice again. I will use 1.5 for the radius for the pipe. Just press enter, and there you have it, the pipe, and mouse right repeats the command. Select the upper curve and just press enter. And there you have it. Let's select these curves and again hide them. And now if you would have made the inner surface in this point, it would be more difficult to make this next part of this tutorial. So we are going to use split command to split these pipes and this surface and then join them together. So we have the pipes now. Let's choose all these, the bottle and the pipes, and copy and paste. Then move them into the white layer, and now we start splitting. So use the command split, select the green pipes, press enter, select the bottle, press enter, and do the same with the bottle. Select the bottle and then select the white pipes because they are still solid pieces, and press enter. And then you can hide those white pieces by pressing the layer off, and now we are going to join these pipes into the bottle. As you can see, they are now in pieces, so this is a little bit tricky, but I think we can manage. So select the upper pipe and the bottle and press join. That went nicely. Yeah. Then select the lower part and the upper part and join. And that's okay also. Then here we have some problems coming. So I don't know why the split makes this lower pipe so many, that it makes this weird piece here. So join these together and then select the upper part and join, and it's okay. Yes. Again select the upper part and now the rest of the bottle and join. There we have it. Yeah. So now you have the bottle selected. We can make a let's just move this bottle into the layer called outer, and we can delete these and okay, there is some, so we can select, let's select this bottle and make a new layer, call it bottle. Okay, let's press OK and go into the bottle layer and sorry, let's hide the bottle layer and select these pieces and delete those and hide that layer. And now we have to make the inner surface. So let's go into the inner surface layer and select the layer, the curve, and use the revolve command again from the end point and press shift and drag the mouse up and full circle, and there we have the inner surface. Put the outer surface on, the bottle on, and I think it should be fine if we just loft this part here. Okay, and select the surface and the loft we just made and the outer surface and join. And there you have it, closed poly surface. And let's move this into the bottle layer like that. And there you have it, a bottle with the swirl or swoosh or whatever it is called, this detail. So Maybe I just put some material in it so we can see how it looks. I select some clear plastic. Or maybe I just I choose a glass for this because it's only for the preview. So like that, and let's make infinity plane and let's try it. I haven't changed any render settings, so this might be looking weird. Of course, plastic would not be so reflective. Okay, let's change the settings a little bit. I'm just going to make this really quick, so I choose this sky picture HDRI. Let's try this out. Let's change the camera a little bit. Lower settings. So what do we have now? Okay, it has too much. That's too much. I made a domain line and I will put a bitmap into it and change it to spherical and press OK, and let's see if we need more light. Yeah, we could put something like 2 or 3. Okay, maybe now. So there you have the final result of the bottle. If you want to make the more details, like the uh, place where the cap will go when you screw it, you can use the same technique, project, and the things like that. You can maybe use this helix to make the curve, and then use the slab. It makes this box looking solid piece. Okay, this was the tutorial to how to make bottle and this pretty complex details into the side. And if you want, you can now, because we have outer and inner part, you can make realistic renderings if you make a piece inside of the bottle and put some water or wine texture in it. So, hope you like it and learned something new. And I try to come up new tutorials. Thanks.